Hey there, do you want to meet some really special people? They're my favorite people in the whole world. My family.
Awesome! Okay, our big adventure is starting right now. First up, we're heading to the garden. Come on, let's go find my grandma.
Whoa, look at all the pretty flowers. And there she is. This is my grandmother. I like to call her Grandma for short. Doesn't she have the best smile?
So if I'm telling my friends about her, I'd say she is my grandmother.
Okay, now it's your turn to say it. Let's try it together. Ready? Say, Grandma. Wow, that was perfect. I think she heard you.
All right, let's head inside the house. Shh, look over there. See who's reading in his favorite chair? That's my grandfather. We call him Grandpa. Oh, and he gives the absolute best hugs.
And if someone were to ask me who that is, I'd say, he is my grandfather.
Okay, your turn again. Let's say his name nice and loud. Ready? Grandpa!
That was amazing. I wonder who we're gonna meet next.
Ooh, do you smell that? It smells so yummy. I think it's coming from the kitchen. Let's follow our noses. Look, it's my mother. I call her Mom.
So just like we did with Grandma, we say, she is my mother.
Can you try saying her name? Let's say it with a great big smile. Mom! Fantastic! And look who's in the kitchen with her. It's my father. We call him Dad for short. And you know what? He's a really great cook too. And if I point to him, I say, he is my father.
All right, let's say hello. Are you ready? Say it with me. Dad, you got it.
Hey, here's a little secret for you. When we talk about boys or men, like my dad, we use the word he. And when we talk about girls or women, like my mom, we use the word she. So we say, he is my father, and she is my mother. Pretty easy, right?
Okay, time to go outside to the park. Whoa, check him out. That's my uncle. He is so much fun to play with.
That's right. He is my uncle. Let's try saying his name. Can you say uncle? Let's shout it. Uncle! Wow, that was a great one. And look who's playing in the park with him. It's my Aunt Pam. She's always so happy and cheerful. Yep, she is my aunt. Can you say her name in a really happy voice, just like her? Let's try. Auntie! You sounded so cheerful, just like she is. All right, our adventure is not over yet. Let's head to the playroom. Look, this is my brother. He's building something super cool with his toys. He is my brother. Can you say that word with me? Let's do it. Brother. Wow, you are so good at this. And over here, reading a really good book is my sister. She is my sister. Let's say it in a really quiet voice so we don't bother her while she's reading. Ready? Sister. And look who's here, the littlest member of our family. This is the baby. Isn't the baby so cute? This is the baby. Okay, this is our last word for today. Are you ready? Let's say it in a super soft, gentle voice. Baby. You did it. You've learned all of them. Wow, we met everyone in my family. That was so much fun. Let's say all their names one last time, just to remember. We have Grandpa, Grandma, Dad, Mom, Uncle, Aunt, brother, sister, and the baby. You remembered every single one. And look, here we all are, all together in one big picture. Everybody is different, and that's what makes it great. I love my family so, so much. Now I'm curious, who's in your family? Thanks for coming along on my family adventure today. See you next time. Bye-bye.